Did he get him? Holy fuck!
Oh, shit.
Keep filming.
I'm filming.
Give me that GoPro.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Jesus.
Jeez, I don't believe it.
Fuck. Oh, just stay there, will you? Fucking stop jumping off. Oh my.
Look at this.
He's the biggest.
Holy shit! I'm sorry, guys. I can shove him off to you.
Huh?
No, you can't shove them off. That'd be interfering
No, that's.
with wildlife.
I don't think you should shove them off.
That's interfering with wildlife. That guy deserves to live.
Look, push it.
Come on. Just stay there for a sec.
Holy fuck.
They're gonna get angry because they're hungry.
Holy
No,
shit! Get on me.
Holy fuck.
Have they got it?
Holy
No,
fuck.
I'm trying to get on the
Seal's right
Where's
there.
He's trying. Alright, come on. Fatso, stay there. Don't move.
He's a skid.
Stay.
Holy.
What are we gonna do?
No, we'll just stay here. Okay, he's on the boat.
Oh my
Poor
god.
little thing. Get a picture of that.
Now what do we do?
Has this ever happened before, Nick?
20 years
With
ago.
30 wheels?
Holy fuck.
20 fuck.
Look outside.
Holy shit, here he comes again. Right up to the GoPro. Right up. That little one with the notch, that one's the one that wants it really bad.
That one.
No, there's one with a notch right in the middle. It's a bit bigger.
I tried to get
The
you
one
in
that
it.
really wants it.
Just hold the camera,
I
don't touch it.
swear that's Stanley.
It's recording now.
Yeah. Just, you just stay there, buddy.
This is it.
Just keep recording them. Just stand back a bit.
Yeah. I'm just saying they're looking for this guy.
Good job, we've got a big boat. Huh? Is that insane, is it? That is fucking insane.
Oh, can you imagine if he jumped on a little tinny? You think they're planning?
And they're going to give up soon.
Come on. Leave him. He's fine. He doesn't want your help. Still looking, eh? Look at this.
They're coming. Stand back.
Still wants it, eh?
Stay there.
They're watching you guys.
Oh, here he comes.
Look at here he comes. That
Here he
one
comes.
wants this one wants it.
Here he comes. How are we going to drive away with him?
Well, we'll have to wait.
Oh, they will
Look
go.
him in. As soon as I go towards him, he gets scared. He'll jump. But look at these three coming.
Mom,
They
cool.
want him.
Stand back.
This, I think, is the matriarch here.
Is that the news?
Oh,
Holy shit.
He's the
Maybe
best.
on there.
He's the best.
He wants him. Stay there.
Look, he's coming for the boat!
Holy fuck. He sees his tail. Oh my. Oh, the seal's between the engines.
Isabel,
It's okay, buddy. You just stay right there.
Holy fuck. Oh.
The seal between. Hiya, bud. Well done, bud. Survived. You survived.